Rate of flow of electrons is known as electric current. In the previous video, we discussed about electric current, right? Okay, now I have a question for you. Who pushes electrons? In this way, electrons move, right? In this way, electrons move from negative to positive. Okay, this is the main point. Okay, now the question, who pushes electrons? The answer is voltage. Voltage. What is the meaning of voltage? Voltage is what pushes electrons around a circuit. Without voltage, electrons move randomly in any direction. So voltage is what pushes electrons around a circuit. But what is the meaning of voltage? Okay, in simple words, voltage means work done to move the charge. Work done to move the charge is called voltage. But what is the meaning of electric potential and what is the meaning of electric potential difference? So many students will get a lot of confusion. So now I will explain what is the meaning of electric potential and what is the meaning of electric potential difference with fun activity. Okay, now see this. Iron Man is at infinity and he has charge Q, and at point A, Spider-Man, right? So Iron Man want to move the charge from infinity to point A, and he moved the charge from infinity to point A. So he did work, right? He did work to move the charge. It is called electric potential. Simple. Electric potential means work done to move the charge from infinity to point is known as electric potential. Electric potential at any point in electric field is amount of work done in bringing the charge from infinity to the point. What is electric potential? Work done to move the charge from infinity to point is known as electric potential. But what is the meaning of electric potential difference? Okay, now say this. We have 2 points, point A and point B. At point A, Spider-Man, and at point B, Captain America. So, work done to move the charge from point A to point B is known as voltage. It is also called electric potential difference. So, V is equal to W by Q. Work done to move the charge from one point to another point is known as electric potential difference. It is also called voltage. What is voltage? What is electric potential difference? Work done to move the charge from one point to another point is called electric potential difference. It is also called voltage, right? So electric potential difference means potential difference between 2 points in electric field is defined as the amount of work done in bringing a charge from one point to another point. So here in this electric circuit, this battery doing potential difference. So with the potential difference, the electrons are moving. If there is no potential difference, then there is no current. This is the point you have to remember. Okay, now I have a circuit. It is the open circuit and I have a battery. So I just close the circuit with the help of the battery. So whenever I put the battery creates a potential difference and the bulb glows. Without potential difference, there is no current, right? Okay, fine. Electric potential difference is also called voltage. Okay, the SI unit of electric potential difference is volt, V-O-L-T. It is named after famous scientist Alexander Volta. Okay, so what is the formula for this voltage? Electric potential difference. What is the formula? Formula is W by Q. What is the meaning of W? Work done. What is the meaning of Q? Charge. So what is the meaning of voltage? Work done to move the charge. Simply, in simple words, it is called voltage. So here V is equal to W by Q. V means voltage, W means work done, and Q is a charge. What is the unit of the voltage? Volt, V-O-L-T. So how you express this volt? Okay, 1 volt is equal to how much actually? 1 volt is equal to 1 joule by 1 coulomb. W, what is the meaning of W? Here W means work done. The unit of W is joule. And what is the unit of Q? It is coulomb. So what is the meaning of 1 volt? 1 volt is the potential difference between 2 points in a current carrying conductor. When 1 joule of work is done to move a charge of 1 coulomb from one point to another point. So what is the meaning of 1 volt? 1 joule by 1 coulomb. So suppose if there is a 2 volts, means what's the meaning of 2 volts? 2 joules of work is done to move 1 coulomb of charge. Simple. It's so simple, right? Okay. The voltage is measured by means of an instrument called voltmeter. The potential difference is measured by means of an instrument called voltmeter. Okay, this is a sample photo of the voltmeter. Here the most important point is voltage is always connected in parallel across the points between which the potential difference is to be measured. So we have to connect the voltmeter in parallel. That is the main point here. V is equal to W by Q. This is the formula to calculate voltage. What is W? Work done. What is Q? Charge. Suppose you have a battery. It has a voltage of 2 volt. What is this meaning of 2 volt? What it mean actually? It means that your battery actually doing 2 joules of work to move 1 coulomb of charge. Okay? You have a battery, it has a voltage of 2 volt. It means that your battery actually doing 2 joules of work to move 1 coulomb of charge. Suppose you have a battery of 9 volt. It means that your battery actually doing 9 joules of work to move 1 coulomb of charge. I think you get it right. Okay, so SI unit of electric potential difference, I mean voltage is volt. V-O-L-T. Okay, voltage is measured by means of an instrument called voltmeter. Voltage is measured with the help of an instrument called voltmeter. Okay, now it's time to do a numerical problem. Okay, the numerical is how much work is done in moving a charge of 2 coulomb across 2 points having a potential difference 12 volt. Okay, we have to calculate the work done. We have charge and we have volt. Okay, so Q is equal to 2 coulomb, voltage is equal to 12 volt. We have to calculate the work done. We have formula V is equal to W by Q. Okay, we have V and we have Q. We have to calculate the work done. So W is equal to Q into V. Q 2 coulomb, V 12 volt. So if you do the calculation, W is equal to 24 joules. Okay, right? So this is the end of this video. So in this video, we discussed about voltage, electric potential difference.